In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable guest mode browsing in Google Chrome. To begin, open the Run window on your computer. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key and the R key at the same time. A small Run box should appear, usually in the lower left area of the screen. In the Run box, type regedit. After typing it, press Enter or select OK. Windows may ask for permission to open the registry editor. If you see that prompt, allow it to continue. The registry editor window should now open. In the left panel, navigate to xkey_local_machine, then open Software and then open Policies. You can expand each section by selecting the small arrow beside it. The location you are looking for is xkey local machine software policies. Once you are inside the Policies folder, check whether there is already a key named Google. A key is basically a folder in the registry editor. If the Google key is already there, select it and continue. If it is not there, create it by right-clicking the Policies folder, choosing New and then choosing Key. Name the new key Google. Now we need to look inside the Google key. Select the Google key you just found or created. Inside it, check whether there is a sub-key named Chrome. If the Chrome key already exists, select it. If it does not exist, right-click the Google key, choose New, and then choose Key. Name this new key Chrome. At this point, you should be inside the Chrome key. This is where Chrome policy values are stored. The setting we are going to add will tell Chrome whether guest mode browsing should be enabled or disabled. With the Chrome key selected, move to the right side of the registry editor window. Right-click in the empty space, choose New, and then select DAO 32-bit value. Even if your Windows system is 64-bit, the instruction here is still to create a DAO 32-bit value. Name the new value browser guest mode enabled. Make sure the spelling is exact, with no spaces. Registry policy names need to match exactly, or Chrome may not recognize the setting. After the value is created, double-click Browser Guest Mode Enabled to edit it. In the Value Data field, enter 0. Setting this value to 0 means guest mode is disabled. Once the value data is set to 0, select OK to save the change. You can now close the registry editor. The policy has been added, but Chrome needs to be restarted before the change takes effect. If Google Chrome is currently open, close all Chrome windows completely, then open Chrome again. After Chrome restarts, the guest mode browsing option should be disabled according to the policy you just created. And that is all there is to it.